In today's video, I'm going to show you how to read your other phone messages remotely. I mean, you can read your second phone message from your first phone easily. So let me show you something first. So there you can see I have two phones in my hands. So this is my second phone and this is my first phone. So I will read these second phone messages from my first phone remotely. So let me show you something. You can see all messages are same, okay? Nothing is changed. Everything is same. So if I send some messages from this phone, also that message will go to this phone. Let me show you. If I try to send some message, suppose I want to send message, hi Osman, suppose, and let me send it. And you can see there is also hi Osman available. So every single thing will appear in this phone remotely. So how can you actually do that? So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, I'll need to do something in this phone, and after that I will come to this phone. Okay, so let me remove this phone, and after that I need to do something in this phone. So first of all, you will need to go to Play Store from this phone. So let me go mine, and right now you need to search here one application which is Pulse SMS. So you need to install this application in your phone. So wait for a few seconds. So after installing it, just click here open option, and then click here I agree. Then you can see start using Pulse SMS. So let me click this one. Then you need to choose Pulse SMS as a default browser, SMS application. So let me click here set as default, and then just click here and wait for a few seconds. Importing your message. Just wait for a few seconds. So right now you can see this kind of interface will appear to you. So right now you need to click here sign up, this option. Do not skip it. Okay, so let me click here sign up, and after that just give here your one valid email address, and then password, confirm password, and name. Just give here name my second phone message, second phone message. Just write this name, and after that give here your phone number, and after doing this your email will be sign up. So I have already signed up this, so that's why I need to log in. So let me click here login, this option, and right now I need to log in this account. So after giving my password, let me click here login option, and then it asks for your saving password, so you can save it if you want. So let me click here never. So after that you will see this kind of interface. So just get back from here and just click this one, and then optimal in performance. So to get the best experience using Pulse SMS, please disable battery optimization. So you need to click here disable this option, then click here allow, and after that let me click here this icon, and then there you can see my second phone message, and there is my phone number and also my email address. Okay, so let me go to these settings, and after that, so everything is fine. Just get back from here, and right now you need to come to your first phone. So this is my first phone, and after that I need to go to this Google Chrome browser, and then search here Pulse SMS Web. Just search this address, and after that you can see there is Pulse SMS. So let me click this one, and then you need to give here your that email address and password. So you need to click here, and after that there you can see this is my email address. So I need to put that email address in there and also put my password. So let me do it. So after giving your password, just click here I am not a robot. And then bridges, sometimes you will see another types of captcha, so just read there and then just choose it. Okay, so let me choose some bridge, then click here verify, and you can see it's already done. So right now I need to click here login this option. And you can see all kinds of messages available in here. Okay, you can read it. So let me click there, and I can also reply from this phone also. Okay, if I try to reply from this phone, let me show you. Hi, and you can see there is hi also available. Okay, there you can see. So by this easiest process, you can read your own text messages remotely by this process. One more thing I just forgot, which is you need to find out that application which is Pulse SMS, and you need to add this to home button, and after that just down there and just set there, and after that just go to message, Google Message app, and then hold it, and then you can disable it. Just click here disable and again disable. So from next time all your messages will come to in this application. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks. Do comment, give like, and do subscribe.